Hello everyone. Now I am going to discuss section D of today's maths question paper of class 10 standard question paper. Question 32. A person on a tour has 5,400 rupees for his expenses. If he extends his tour for 5 days, he has to cut down his daily expenses by 180 rupees. Find the original duration of the tour and daily expense. So let us assume that the original duration of the tour was for X days. Okay. Then daily expenses will be 5,400 divided by X because he is having 5,400 rupees. Now if he has to extend by 5 more days, the number of days will become X plus 5 and then daily expenses will become 5,400 divided by X plus 5. And what it is given? If he is extending by 5 days, they have to cut the daily expenses by 180. It means the difference of these two is 180. Now take first 5,400 common. So it will be 1 by x minus 1 by x plus 5 equal to 180. Next, transpose 5,400 to other side and take the LCM. So x into x plus 5 equal, here it will be x plus 5 minus x equal to 180 divided by 5,400. So 80 times 30. So here we will get 5 by x into x plus 5 equal to 1 by 30. Now cross multiply. So we will get x into x plus 5 equal to 5 into 30 which is 150. So x square plus 5x minus 150 equal to 0. Now after that you have to factorize it. So 15 into 10 is 150. So we will write it as 15x minus 10x minus 150 equal to 0. Then we'll take x common. So x plus 15 minus 10. Again x plus 15 equal to 0. So from here you will get x plus 15 into x minus 10 equal to 0. So negative value we won't take. So the value of x will be 10. So duration is 10 days. Then expenses will be 5,400 divided by 10 which is 540 rupees. Okay. So this is question 32A part. Now it has a OR part also. Let's solve that also. Question number 33. In the given figure, TP and TQ are tangent to a circle with center M, touching another circle with center N at A and B respectively. It is given that MQ equal to 13, NB is 8, BQ is 35 and TP is 80 centimeter. Name the quadrilateral MQBN. So this quadrilateral is a trapezium because you can see here that MQ and BN are parallel. Why? Because this both is 90. So the co-interior angles are supplementary. So it means that this MQ and NB is parallel and QB is the height of the trapezium. So this is the trapezium. Okay. Next question is MN parallel to PA? No, it is not parallel. MP is parallel to NA. So this is no. Okay. If you extend it, they are going to intersect. It is not parallel. Next, find the length TB. So TP is equal to TQ because tangent from the external point both will be equal on the same circle. TP value is given as 80. So TQ is also equal to 80 centimeter. Already QB is given as 35. So TB will be equal to 80 minus 35. And if you subtract it, you will get 45 centimeter. Next, find the length MN. Already you can see there is a construction done here. They have dropped a perpendicular from point N to here. Let's name this point as point R. Okay. Now it's like then QBNR is a rectangle. So if QB is 35, RN is also 35 or NR is also 35 centimeter. Then MR will be 13 minus 8. 13 minus 8 is 5 centimeter. Now we will use Pythagoras theorem. Mn square is equal to 35 square plus 5 square. 35 square is 1225 plus 25. If you add, you will get 1250. So Mn will be root of 1250 and you will get the answer as 25 root 2 centimeter. This is the measure of Mn. Question 34. This is the last question. A kite is flying at a height of 60 meter above the ground level. Ravi, standing at the roof of the house, is holding the string straight and observe the angle of elevation of kite as 30 degree. From the bottom of the same building, the angle of elevation of kite is 45. Find the length of the string and height of the roof from the ground. So, suppose kite is here. The distance of the kite from the ground is given as 60 meter. There is a boy named Ravi. He is standing on a building here on the roof, and he is holding a string straight and observes the angle of elevation of the kite is 30 degree. Okay, so this is 30 degree, and from the bottom of the same building, this is the building, the angle of elevation of the kite is 45 degree. Okay, so this is 45. You have to find the length of the string. So I'm going to name it A, B, C, D, E. If the building height is X, your ED is also going to be X, then AE will be 60 minus X. First I am taking in triangle ADC, tan 45 degree will be equal to AD by CD. Tan 45 is 1. It means AD will be equal to CD equal to 60 meter. So if CD is 60 meter, BE will also become 60 meter. Next I will take in triangle AEB, tan 30 degree is equal to AE by BE, which is equal to 1 by root 3 equal to 60 minus X by 60. Now 60 by root 3 equal to 60 minus X. Now rationalize the LHS part. So it will become 60 root 3 by 3 equal to 60 minus X, 3 times 20. Okay. So my value for X is 60 minus 20 root 3. Root 3 value is already given there. And if you solve it, you will get the answer as 25.40 meter. This is the value for X, that is the height of the building. You have to find the length of the string also, which is AB. So we will use now sine 30 degree in the triangle AEB. It will be equal to AE by AB. Sine 30 degree is 1 by 2. And AE value is 60 minus 25.4 by AB. So from here AB value will be 2 times 60 minus 25.4 will give you 34.6, and if you multiply you will get 69.2 meter. So that's all for today's video, and I have completed till section D. There is one more question, question 35, which is statistics. That is easy question, you can do.